Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn here table 5, table 6, table 7 and table. So let us start now. First we'll write table 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, and 5 tens are 50. So this is table 5. Now we'll try table 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, and 6 tens are 60. So this is table 6. Now we'll write table 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70. So this is table 7. Now we'll write table 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. So this is table 8. Students, I hope you have enjoyed this video. In case you find this video useful, please like it, share it, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you everybody for your patience hearing.